Students, today I am going to explain you exercise 12.1 question number 2. I will read the question. Draw a line segment PQ is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Take a point O 3 centimeter away from it. Length of perpendicular from O to PQ should be 3 centimeter has been given in the brackets. From O, draw a ray OM parallel to PQ. On OM, take 2 points SR such that SR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Then join PS and QR. What is the figure? PQR is called. Now, as it has been said, we will do the same. But remember one thing, I cannot use the device, geometrical device, because I have to use while making this video, I have to hold the camera also. So this is a rough diagram. With the help of this way you can draw this. Okay, firstly you can see here we have to draw a line segment PQ. Length has been given, it is 4.5 centimeter. PQ has been given 4.5 centimeter. Then from O, draw a ray O. Take a point O 3 centimeter away from it, perpendicular from O to PQ. We have drawn a 90-degree angle here, so pointer of the compass should be placed here and draw a 90-degree angle like this way. Then place the needle here, then one arc, then second arc. From here we have to make one arc, from here we have to make this arc. Adjusting these 2 points, we have to draw a ray like this way. After that we have to measure 3 centimeter and we have to place the pointer here and then make an intersection like this way, 3 centimeter. This place is called O and length is O to P is 3 centimeter like this way. So this part, suppose this part is 3 centimeter. From O we have to draw again a ray OM parallel to PQ. So again we have to make a 90-degree angle like this way from placing the pointer here, then taking the suitable radius and making arcs from this part again, and from here we have to adjusting, then draw an ray and name of the ray is M and O is the ray parallel to on PQ like this way. Then we have to take any 2 points S and R of 4.5 centimeter. Suppose that this is a point S. Then we have to measure PQ because length of PQ is 4.5 centimeter. Then open the radius and making the arc here like this way. It is 4.5 centimeter. This point is called R. Then in the question it is asking us join the P, S and P like this way, S and P, then RQ, S and P and RQ. So you can see here PQ parallel SR and PQ is equal to SR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. So this pair and this pair opposite lines are equal and parallel. In the same way this part and this part will also be equal. Okay, because it has been given PQ equal to SR. Okay. Then PS equal to RQ. Okay. So the figure is called parallelogram. Okay student, I hope you can understand by using this way.